money don't grow on trees. I got bills to pay, I got mouths to feed. I ain't nothing in this world for free. No, I can't slow down, I can't hold back. Oh, you know, I wish I could. Oh, there ain't no rest for the wicked till we close our eyes for good. Cage the elephant. No rest for the wicked. Yes, there's a slide. Yes, there's open tuning. But if you want to play it on a standard tuning guitar and you don't really care too much about the slide factor, then I'm going to show you how to get through the chords. And it's a really great song to practice your rhythm with for a lot of the reasons why I was explaining strumming in previous lessons. This is a great song to work on those little finer parts of your strumming technique. One of the things you're going to be doing is keeping that going all the way through your song, right? Pretty much all the way through. The original guitar is tuned to open G tuning, and so it's neither minor nor major. So that's why it's a little bit ambiguous or ambivalent. Ambiguous. That's why it's a little bit ambiguous. You could play the full G major chord or you can play a G minor chord. It's not really going to matter. What's important is those first three notes which make the power chord. So, you heard me do the little intro slide bit at the start. If you've got a slide, if you want to do that, it's like that. 0, 3, 0, 0, 5, 0. If you don't have a slide, you can do it with your finger. It's still going to sound, you know, pretty close to it. Or you can just jump straight into it. And the verses are like this. The verses simple 4 chords. G, and again, I'm talking power chords here. G, B flat, C, B flat, F, back to G. Okay? They're your verses. I was walking down the street and at the corner of my eye I saw a pretty young thing approaching me. Right? When it gets to the chorus, well actually at the end of the verse, he stops on that C. What made you want to live this kind of life? She said there ain't no rest for the wicked. Same 4 chords, but the rhythm is now this. G, B flat, C, F, G. Now, where those chord changes fall on your count, ain't no rest for the wicked. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. The other thing we're doing with this, again, you can do this with a pick just by, but what it's really coming down to is when you're hitting these chords, you're squeezing them on with your left hand. So you're going squeeze, release. It's just a quick squeeze on the B flat, and then straight up to the C, and a quick squeeze and release there. So like this: squeeze, 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 squeeze. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. So each time you hit a chord, you're squeezing that on and you're releasing it again. The G is the only one you hold for a little bit longer. I got mouths to feed, I ain't nothing in this world for free. That's all there is to it. When you want to get into the solo part, there are guys that have done lessons for the slide stuff in this song, and this is not what this lesson is about. This is a way to play this rhythm. It's a great rhythm on standard tuned guitar without worrying too much about the slide factors. The melody that you do hear in the solo is, right, which is, if you want to follow it, if you want to try and pick it out in your chords, you could play that note to lead in with. It's a bit fiddly, but they are the notes if you want to try and chase after them. That's the song. It's great fun to play. It's simple, it's easy, it's 4 chords. It's a cracker of a tune, and it'll really give your rhythm a workout, especially if you try and sing with it. Thanks for watching. See you here again next time. I got bills to pay, I got mouths to feed, I ain't yourself for free.